Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be, in short, explaining to you guys how you can use the Squarespace website builder. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am in the website builder. I'm currently in one of my pages that I have created, and I only have this round circular picture over here. Now, from here, you can do a couple of different things. You can use other things in the website builder. You can go into the pages menu and just rearrange the pages, make some linked or not linked. You can go into styles and change the style of your site. Click on assets to add any assets you want to your library, as well as you going to products and services to edit your products, add more products, go to invoicing to create invoices, content and memberships to create orders and products, etc., etc. But the main thing you're going to want to do is click on the edit button on the page that you want to be on, and this is your main website builder where you can edit the appearance of your site. Now, what you can do, you can click here to edit the website header if you want. You can edit whatever you want within the header, which I won't be doing. You can also add sections, which are places where you're going to add different items. Excuse me for yawning, but yeah, you can add different items, which are called blocks, which I'll show you just in a second. As you can see now, I have two different blocks. You can use one block for everything, it really doesn't matter, but you can separate it through blocks if you want, for example, to edit sections and, add backgrounds, change the colors and everything. But if you add a block, you can add text, images. For example, if I add an image, it's just blank image, but it'll do as a, test. You can add videos, you can also add audio if you so choose, like so. And you'll see that whenever you create a section, whenever you drag any elements, this grid of sorts appears here. You can extend that grid either by dragging items down on that grid, or you can click on the section and extend it like this by clicking and dragging this. You can extend it or collapse it if you want, because this video is the largest thing. I cannot collapse it any further, but for example, if I made it smaller, I could then go ahead and collapse it by one more, drag all of this to the top, make it smaller. I can then collapse it even more, and you get the point. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I don't have time to get into the details of the rest of it, but those are pretty much the basics. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.